Hey everyone, welcome back. One compact luxury SUV has quietly become the best-selling Audi in the entire world. And the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro just made it impossible to ignore. Today we are breaking down every single detail of the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro: design, power, interior, tech, and pricing. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro sits at the very top of this segment. Let's go. The 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro is built on a completely redesigned third-generation platform, overhauled from the ground up in 2025, and now carried forward in its most refined form yet. The L stands for long wheelbase, meaning more rear passenger space than any standard Q5 before it. And Quattro, as always on any Audi, means legendary all-wheel drive traction standard on every single trim, no exceptions. Up front, the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro makes an immediate statement. Bold light signatures, a large single-frame grille with premium chrome detailing, and available HD matrix LED headlights that adapt precisely to every driving condition. The body is longer and more planted than before, with sculpted side panels, and a strong shoulder line running front to rear. Around back, sharp connected LED taillights, a clean roofline spoiler, and polished chrome exhaust tips complete a design that is bold, athletic, and unmistakably Audi. Under the hood, the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro delivers real performance. The standard turbocharged 2.0-liter TFSI four-cylinder produces 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, pushing power instantly to all four wheels through Quattro all-wheel drive. Step up to the SQ5 L Quattro, and a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 delivers 362 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, covering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds while remaining completely refined and comfortable in everyday driving. Audi's Drive Select system puts comfort, auto, dynamic, and efficiency modes at your fingertips, completely transforming how the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro feels and drives in seconds. Inside the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro, this is where Audi really delivers. A massive 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen runs wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto standard across every single trim. A fully digital instrument cluster, an available augmented reality head-up display, and premium leather upholstery with real aluminum and open-pore wood trim make the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro cabin feel genuinely special from every seat. Multiple USB-C ports in both rows, a fast wireless charging pad, and an available Bang & Olufsen premium sound system complete the package. And thanks to that extended L wheelbase, rear passengers in the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro enjoy noticeably more legroom than any previous generation. This is a backseat you actually want to sit in. Safety on the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro is equally comprehensive. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning with active steering correction, and adaptive cruise. Control with stop-and-go capability all come standard. Available on higher trims, a full 360-degree surround camera system, automatic parking assist, and over-the-air software updates that keep the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro current and improved, long after purchase with no dealer visit required. Pricing for the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro starts around $48,000 for the base premium trim, climbing to around $72,000 for the fully loaded SQ5 L Quattro Prestige V6 package, putting the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro directly against the BMW X3, Mercedes GLC, and Volvo XC60, while offering something those rivals cannot match: Quattro all-wheel drive confidence, bold new design language, and genuine German engineering quality in one complete, well-rounded package. So here is my question. Standard 268 horsepower 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro, or do you go straight to the SQ5 L Quattro V6? Drop your answer in the comments right now. If this breakdown of the 2027 Audi Q5 L Quattro gave you everything you came for, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More incredible luxury SUV reviews coming your way every single week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.